Alright, students, in the past couple of weeks, I have been commenting on several of your discussion posts that you are not hyperlinking the article. So you can either attach the article or you can hyperlink the article. The hyperlink allows us just to click on the link so that we can get to the article or get to the website. Simply pasting it there makes it more difficult for us to do that. So I'm going to show you in case you didn't know. So this week's discussion prompt is going to be on assisted suicide. So I went to a website. Again, it needs to be a scholarly website or you need to find a scholarly article. Last week I let go a couple or several that really weren't scholarly articles, and so you need to get back to that. In doing academic writing, you have to ensure that you're going to a place that's going to provide primary resource information. And so this is coming from the U.S. National Library of Medicine and the National Institute of Health. So I know that I am at a location that's providing that for me. So this gives information on the U.S. government moving against doctor-assisted suicide. So I want to share this because this is the article itself. And so if not, I could actually go to the article, but this provides it. So I'm going to control copy it, and I'm going to come to the discussion board. And so if I put it into the discussion board and you hit enter in places like Google, it would automatically hyperlink it for you. This isn't Google, this is Blackboard. And so whenever you encounter Blackboard or any other places that don't automatically do it for you, you simply highlight it, and then this little button comes up, insert or edit the link, or most of the time if you right click it, you will also see the link button. So you will click on the link and then you will just repaste it. And then you're going to hit insert. And so now it actually turns into a hyperlink. So in all of your comments that said make it a hyperlink, that's what I'm looking for. Also, many of you are attaching a Word document to the discussion board. I told you to open a Word document and always write down all of your discussion boards and any work in a Word document. That way you save it in case something goes wonky with Blackboard. However, once you do that, copy it all and paste it into your text box. That way we don't have to open up your Word document to read it. It requires all of us to download your document in order to read it. And so let's make it nice and easy for all of us. Even if you do it on a Word document, which I recommend, go ahead and copy and paste your discussion prompt responses into the text box. Okay, I hope that helps. Have a great week.